All right, Thomas, we're going to do each phrase and the pickup in measure 16 all the way to measure 20. Just that first verse. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1. Okay, we'll go up to there. Where are we here? 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and all right, here's 65. 1, 2, 3. Here's 70. 1, 2, 3. And moving right along, 75. 1, 2, 3. All right, going up to 80. 1, 2, 3. To 85. 1, 2, 3. Here's 90. 2, 3. Up to 100. 1, 2, 3. We're going to swoop back down now. 60. And we're going to do the next verse, which is 21 through 25. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. I kind of messed up a little. I hope you didn't. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Up to 70. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. 90. Let's just see what happens. 1, 2, 3. Here, this is 95. 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. So we're looking at measures 24 through 28, starting at 50. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Again, 2, 3. Two, three. And you know, you can play around with the melody a little. Ready? 1, 2, 3. $65. 1, 2, 3. Two, three. I messed up. 75. 2, 3. All right, 80. 1, 2, 3. Go to 90. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Oh, I missed it. Okay, so work on that, slow to fast. Measures 28 to 32, but at 50. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Up to 60, 2, 3. All right, 65. 1, 2, 3. $70. 1, 2, 3. Here's 75. 1, 2, 3. And here's 80. 1, 2, 3. $90. 1, 2, 3. Here's 100. 1, 2, 3. All right. There it is. Work.